So I have just had a live session where I trade binary option live, and if for some reason you lost this live session, probably you're not subscribed to my channel or you have not turned the bell notification on, or just join me in Discord, because there at also every time I'm live in YouTube, I'm live there also, and there we enjoy zero lag, because yes, there are a small lag in YouTube also. If you want to join me and trade together with me, by the way, I will show you the result of the trading very soon, and also how I trade. But before I get to that, if you want to join me, make sure you use the same broker that I'm using. You find the link below the video, and also you find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit. The promo code is basically just ALPHA1, but you find all the information below. Now, this Monday morning, I did 5 trades. Let's go and check on these trades. So if you go to my trades here now, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the first 2 was a loser, and then we won the next. Typically when I trade, I do change my bid to 200 if I start to have 2 losers, but I never go above 200. So then I take two trades of 200 and then 100 again. And we did turn a sweet profit of $160. So that helps. Now, it does not stop there, because every time I trade, I get some cash back. You see I have $16 here. When I push this is added to the balance here. And just like that, we got $16 extra. So then we add that to the calculation. Then we have a profit of $176 in this live session I just had. Now, how do I trade? Well, every time you see that you come to a support area, like you see down here, then I make a line, and also I see the stochastic is below the 20. We take a trades on this line. So if you come down to this line here, we just push up. The same when you come up to this area of resistance, where we also can see the stochastic is above 80. Then we take trades based on up here, for example. So every time the line come up to the bar come up to this line, we basically just push down. So that's how easy we trade, and it's very easy for you to follow. Every time while I'm trading, I talk all the time, and I say I'm planning to take a trade if we come up to this. Or I can say, for example, I need the bar to close below this area. If you do that, then I will take a trade. So you always have the possibility to take this exact same trades I'm taking. Like now, for example, I would not have taken a trade on this blue line here now, just because you see the stochastic is very low, and if we continue like this, he might easily break this line, because he have much momentum to bring with him to break this line. So this is basically how I trade live, and it's super easy for you to follow. And I've been trading for more than 1 year and 8 months. And from that, I only have 15 times I have lost. So we have more than 400 winning sessions. So you can feel quite comfortable trading together with me, because we typically make profit, okay? So that, have an amazing day, and I really hope I see you in my live session I will have tomorrow. So with that, see you tomorrow.